All right, now on to covering your furniture. If you are worried about that, or if it's kind of close to your walls, I would recommend using this plastic, which is pretty simple to use. I'm gonna hand Chris over here an edge. You pull a little bit more than you're actually gonna need. Make sure to have your scissors handy, because you're gonna wanna cut this. And then this is easier with two people, but you can't do it by yourself. You just kind of spread it apart. Once you get it kind of going, you can kind of shake it like a garbage bag. Get it opened up.
Here we are.
And lay it out over your furniture. Can protect from dust or
Paint, whatever.
paint, really whatever you're worried about. It's always a nice precaution, especially as a beginner or even a professional. We use plastic for covering furniture all the time. And there we go.